This projector is built with a completely different mindset compared to traditional models. Instead of being a bulky device that demands attention, it quietly integrates into the space around it. The Epson LightScene EV-115 focuses on delivering visuals while maintaining a clean, modern presence that feels natural in both commercial and personal environments. At first glance, the design immediately stands out. It resembles a premium spotlight more than a projector, which allows it to blend into ceilings or lighting tracks without disrupting the overall look of a room. This makes it ideal for places where aesthetics are important, like retail stores, showrooms, restaurants, or even minimalist home setups. Inside, it runs on advanced 3 LCD laser technology. This ensures consistent brightness and rich color reproduction without the flickering or rainbow artifacts that some projection systems can produce. The colors appear balanced and lifelike, making it a strong option for visual displays, branding content, or ambient projections that require accuracy. With 2,200 lumens of brightness, it performs well even in spaces with some level of ambient light. You don't need a completely dark room to enjoy clear visuals, which adds to its flexibility. Whether used during the day in a workspace or in the evening for atmosphere, it maintains good visibility and clarity. The WXGA resolution paired with a 16:10 aspect ratio gives it a practical edge. The additional vertical space compared to standard widescreen formats is useful for presentations, menus, or informational content. Text remains sharp, and images are displayed cleanly without feeling cramped. One of the biggest advantages here is installation freedom. The projector supports full 360-degree placement, allowing projections onto walls, floors, ceilings, or creative surfaces. This opens up opportunities for unique visual setups that go far beyond standard projection use. It's particularly useful for businesses or creators who want something visually different. Another key feature is standalone playback capability. You can upload content directly and run it without relying on an external device. This is especially helpful for continuous displays, reducing complexity and making it easier to manage content in public or commercial environments. Connectivity is well covered with HDMI, wireless support, and network control options. It can easily connect to various devices or be integrated into larger systems for more advanced setups. This flexibility ensures it fits into both simple and professional environments without limitations. The built-in speaker is functional for basic use, handling simple audio needs without requiring additional equipment. However, for richer sound or immersive experiences, external speakers will still be the better choice. In everyday use, this projector is less about cinematic performance and more about enhancing surroundings. It's designed for users who want technology to complement their space rather than dominate it. Whether used for branding, decoration, or subtle entertainment, it delivers a refined and modern experience. What sets it apart is the balance between form and function. It's not just about projecting an image, it's about doing it in a way that feels seamless and intentional. For anyone looking to upgrade their environment with something stylish and capable, this projector offers a unique solution. If you want to buy this Epson LightScene EV-115 3 LCD projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.